Hello, beautiful humans. I'm glad you can come and join me today. Today I really needed to get out and get in touch with nature. I was feeling especially tired today. Dealing with a chronic illness sometimes really drains me. I find that being close to nature recharges me. The earth seems to take all my exhaustion and pain. It feels so good just to be here, be in the moment, and just be. And allow myself to resonate with our Earth Mother. While I was walking and taking in the beauty around me, I encountered this gentleman. He was very friendly, probably thinking I had some breadcrumbs. Alas, I didn't. I wasn't expecting to run into him. His 3 ladies were also in the lake enjoying themselves. They seem to be doing things on their own, and sometimes showing off. If you're part of my slow living community, welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing so you can get notifications when I post a new video. Also, please give it a like. This allows YouTube to be able to show it to more people. Fighting something you have no control over can be exhausting. I've come to realize that letting go and just going with the flow works best for me. When I feel like this, I find things to do that keep me at peace. Being in nature is very important to me. To be able to move through the pain and exhaustion Our Earth Mother always provides that sacred space for me to heal and to energize. Thank you for taking this journey with me today. I hope that all of you are healthy and happy. And until next time, be kind to yourself.